Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude Voice Mode not working. So first, clear browser cache. If you're using Claude on the web, clearing cache data can fix voice-related issues. So click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to delete browsing data. Now once you're here at the top, select the time frame. Then next, down here, make sure you check cookies and other site data and cache images and files. Then click delete data right here to confirm it. Once done, open Claude, refresh the page, and see if that fixed the issue. Next is to completely close the app or browser. So close it and reopen it and see if that works. Next is to check your internet connection. So go to the bottom right corner and click the Wi-Fi icon. Then make sure you're connected to a stable connection. You can also switch to another network or you can switch to data. And go back to Claude, reload the page, and see if that works. Next, you can also check microphone permissions. So make sure Claude has permission to access your microphone. Next is to update your browser. So click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down and go to Settings.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Then on the left side, scroll down and go to About Chrome and check for an update. So update Chrome to the latest version, then go back to Claude, reload the page, and see if that works. And that's it. Thank you for watching.